Right guys, Sainsbury's car park, skate park. Give this a go, see how long it lasts before the steering breaks. Oh, I've got the GrandadIs 1.5 volt batteries in there at the moment. Well, it seems to be going all right on those batteries. I'm not up there. Whoa. Whoa, that's what we didn't want to do. Still in one piece. Okay, that was a surprise. I'm going to take the GrandadIs batteries out and put the whatever the other ones are. Yeah, we've got 4 GrandadIs in there, 1.5 volts each. I put them in there because I wondered whether the weight distribution make a difference, because just 2 of the ultrafires and the dummies are obviously lighter, so I did just wonder if it made a difference. So we'll put the lighter ones at the top. The ultrafires underneath. Try the GrandadIs in here. Right, off we go again. Slightly more power. Yeah, definitely more power. Oh, where are you going, mate? That's just on the range that we've got. I just lost it a little bit. Just check I'm still recording. Yes, I am. That's good. Oh, out of range. Out of range. Oh. We're just on the limit of the range. Okay, well, on the positive side, it is working absolutely fine, and we haven't broken those forks yet, but we're gonna have to go hobby grade. Every time it gets out of range we lose it, obviously. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing, and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.